I think it might be this silver sedan right here.
Oh, she told me he's got a gun in his hand. I'm like, Jesus Christ. Dude.
No, I didn't want
This is what I walk up on, and I see
so
dude
sorry.
start busting
Sir,
window, and
I was at the front door. Go ahead. Sorry, go ahead.
There
Ryan.
were.
Didn't mean to cut you off, bud.
I'm sorry.
I said I didn't mean to cut you off. Go ahead.
No, it's okay. There were 4 people in this car. They backed into this spot and they sat here for 2 hours.
Are you sure you're not just hallucinating, thinking that somebody's in here?
No, they're not in here anymore, sir.
Okay.
The video for today shows a man who suffers from mental illness and was having a very bad day. The officers were not aware of this man's mental state when they were dispatched on the run. They were dispatched on a call about a person with a gun who was acting strange and possibly holding somebody hostage.
I have someone who is like really freaking out, and he has a gun on him, and he's saying that people are going to kill him, and he has my friend in the room and he won't let her out.
This one is a bit chaotic. The officers arrived on scene and thought they were dealing with someone who was abusing illegal narcotics. After a long and thorough investigation, they found no evidence whatsoever that narcotics were involved, and this man was taken to a hospital for treatment. One thing that's worth noting with this particular video is that the 3 officers who were first on scene were each out of a recent academy class and had only a few months on the street prior to this interaction. With all that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
4347?
Yeah. Hold on. You're screaming? I'm sure this is Courtney Brown, if I had to guess.
You guys call?
She's on the phone. Hey, excuse me.
Yes.
Are you Miss Brown?
I'm not. I'm here for her, though.
Okay, so what's the
I'm
deal?
talking to the officers right now.
Who's screaming?
Yes.
Is that him?
Yes.
What's
Thank
going
you,
on?
bye.
Who's on?
He's really her, him and Courtney, Miss Brown.
Hold on.
Yeah. He does have a gun.
Do you know if he still has a gun?
It's in there, in that room, yes. I don't know.
He just keeps saying, please don't kill me.
You want to break this door in?
I mean, you can try to knock, see if she comes.
Columbus Police! Columbus Police! Open the door with your hands up!
Oh, you're study southbound.
Open the door with your hands up!
He's out the window.
Put your hands up! Hey, if there's a gun in that house, leave it. Hey, back up! Hey! Hey!
104, can you make the 100 run? Put your hands behind your fucking back now! Turn around! Turn around! Get on the fucking ground! Put your hands behind your back right now! Hey, does one of y'all want to cuff him?
Yeah, do not move!
I'm not moving, sir.
Do not move.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do not move!
I'm not moving, sir.
Do not move.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I got him.
Oh my God.
Interlace your hands like you're praying. Interlace your hands like you're praying.
Yes, sir.
Like you're praying.
Yes, sir.
Hey, don't touch that, all right? Leave it down.
Just go watch that. Make sure I don't grab it.
You put it down.
9102, you can shut it down. We got him detained.
I'm so sorry.
What are you doing, dude?
I'm so sorry.
9102, we need a sergeant response in a 24.
So happy you guys are here.
What is your name? What did you take tonight?
Okay, listen. Sir, listen. Can I? look at
Just
me.
roll over.
Yeah, roll over. Hold on.
sit
Just be
down.
careful.
Okay, so
Just stay seated, man. What's up?
yes, sir. Okay, so
Calm down. Take a
all
deep
right,
breath.
listen, I am okay. I've been hanging out with this girl that lives here, right? Okay.
Are you Ryan?
I am Ryan. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir. We were hanging out here, and she rolls with some like guys that I don't know if like they're pimps or what. Like I
Okay.
So, like I've been like sleeping with this girl like
Have you
every
took
once in a
any drugs tonight?
9102. We're okay.
while.
over
Sir,
here.
I'm just freaking out because
You haven't took anything?
no, sir.
So we were told you're high on cocaine right now. Is that true? We're not mad at you. We're not upset at you. We need to know what
I
you're
understand. No.
on. You're jumping out of the window. You're saying
Yeah.
don't kill you.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Coming.
Yes, sir. So there
Is there a
were four-
33 in there?
Yeah, it's right here.
Where are they
I
at?
have one. I have one round in my chamber, but
Get them out for now. Just get them away
Whose
from that.
gun is it?
it's mine, sir. So
Just, I don't want anybody in there for right now. Please, sorry, I'm not trying to tell you what to do.
So we were laying in bed. This car backed in. I think it might be this silver sedan right here.
All she told me was he's got a gun in his hand. I'm like, Jesus Christ, here we
No,
go.
I didn't want.
This is what I walk up on.
Yeah.
I
I'm
see
so
you
sorry.
start busting
Sir,
window, and
there were
I was
four-
at the front door. Go ahead. Sorry, go ahead,
There
Ryan.
were-
Didn't mean to cut you off, bud.
I'm sorry.
I said didn't mean to cut you off. Go ahead.
No, it's okay. There were four people in this car. They backed into this spot and they sat here for 2 hours.
And
you
this
sure
car
you're
right
not
here.
just hallucinating, thinking
I'm-
that somebody's in
No,
here?
no, they're not in here anymore, sir.
Okay.
So this girl rolls around with these two black dudes that I don't know if like they were pimps or what, but they sat here for 2 hours.
Okay.
And she was.
Here's my question to you,
Yes,
real
sir.
fast. How do you know that they're with her?
Sir, I.
Because one thing, I'm not trying to question your
No,
story. I'm trying to get to the bottom of this,
literally-
okay?
I lost it, but I was afraid that I was going
But-
to be killed by these pimps.
I understand that. My question to you is how do you know that whoever was in these vehicles
Yeah.
is with her specifically? How do you know that?
I do not.
Okay. So, do you know? Okay. How do you know this person, the lady that's in there? Yes.
We met online and we kind of like so.
You guys have
We've
been.
been seeing each other, but I live in
How long? How long you guys been seeing each other?
probably almost a year.
Almost a
But,
year,
like,
so
it's
quite a
just,
while.
Like casual.
Okay.
You know.
So you guys been seeing casual? Is it an open relationship? Like, do you guys see anybody else? Or are you exclusive?
We're not exclusive.
You're not exclusive. Okay. So you're not officially dating. You guys just kind of hang around, just do whatever. But you're not officially dating. Okay.
Yeah.
So my question to you being is why do you think she would have a pimp then? Have you ever traded anything for any type of?
Oh no.
Okay.
No.
Well, that's my question, and it's not like I'm not trying. I'm just trying to figure out the
But
story
so
here.
she had something, and maybe I'm literally losing my fucking mind.
Right.
But she had like something in her mouth that kept making.
I'm just looking at your
noises and
cuts,
shit.
'cause you got cuts all
It's
over
just
yourself.
my hand, man. I'm so sorry, guys.
What do you expect us to think? You're over here making all this
Dude,
loud
no,
noise.
I-
There's a gun on the table. You're busting out a window.
Yeah.
I called 911 and I called like 6 times and I kept
Yeah.
thinking that my
So-
phone call was being rerouted.
No, it's not. That's the thing. So I understand that what you think you had was an emergency. I understand that. Okay.
No, I understand, sir. So I understand.
But
You
so
are
just hold on.
steaming hot right now. You're
So
telling
here's
me
the
you're
deal.
not on no drugs or nothing.
Look at mine. Let me see your eyes.
Just prescribed medication.
What
sir.
prescribed medication?
I take.
Have you been any type of diagnosed with like bipolar, schizophrenia, anything like that
No,
before?
No
no.
mental
Okay.
health issues.
Just anxiety and depression.
Okay. So here's the deal.
Yes, sir.
The reason why I'm asking that is normal prescribed drugs like that are not a stimulant. They're gonna, your eyes will still fluctuate with my flashlight.
Right.
Your eyes stay the exact same way. Okay.
Okay.
So you're telling me right now, to my face, that you have not taken anything else other than tonight. Is that what you're telling me?
So yeah, that's my.
Why would she
prescribed-
say that you were taking cocaine?
You're not in trouble. I don't care
There's
if you
nothing
did.
in trouble. You can take drugs all you want. You're not in trouble for that. We're just
understand.
trying to figure out why
You're
this-
busting through a window.
Because I literally lost my goddamn mind.
Okay.
Because I thought.
Have you been drinking it all tonight with your Paxil?
I had like 2 glasses of wine. Like,
2 glasses
early
of
in
wine,
the
okay.
evening.
Do you think that doesn't mix with your?
Yes.
When you have antidepressant medication, you're not supposed to drink any alcohol with it.
Well, it's an SSRI, sir.
I don't know what that means. SSRI.
It's a serotonin.
Anywho, so
it
let's-
works a little bit differently, but
So, okay, we're gonna go back to So you think there's guys out here trying to kill you?
well, I don't know. I'm not saying they're trying to kill me, but I was like,
Well,
I
you just
feared for
jumped
my
out of
life.
you
That's-
just jumped out of a window.
Yeah, because I wasn't sure if the two girls were like they roll around.
So
with
when
these-
I said Columbus Police, why did you jump out the window? Because I was
I
the one
didn't-
smashing on the door.
No, I was honestly out of my mind. I
Okay.
I feared for my goddamn life.
Okay.
Like I'm happy you guys are here because
Right.
the alternative in my mind was
Right.
if I opened any door that someone's
Gonna try and kill you. Okay.
So like I know I'm in trouble,
yet,
but like
not yet.
I am happy that I'm not.
Right, you're here with
buried
us. Yeah.
tonight.
No, you're good.
Ryan, can I get
Yes.
some info from you real quick?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what's your date of birth?
Really cool. Do you guys mind if I like put a hoodie on or something?
We're gonna what we'll do is we can move you to the porch over there, but we have to
Yes,
stay
sir.
outside for right now because.
Okay.
What's your social real quick?
Okay, so why when we walked up you were screaming,
Yeah, 'cause-
please don't kill me, please don't kill me.
Yeah.
Who were you saying that to?
I thought that like I said, in my mind, I honestly, because of the way she was acting tonight, it was so awkward that I
You're talking about Courtney, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I was, in my mind, I thought that maybe like that she had a fucking
Yeah.
hip
He
or
punched
something,
it out
sir.
and he had the gun and it's right there on the window.
I didn't.
Yeah, it's still
I didn't
There's
wanna-
no one there. I put two people in the back.
I
of
left the gun
window
alone
forward.
because I didn't want.
Okay, so here's the deal.
I didn't mess with the
So
gun, just in
that's
case.
that's what we got called on.
Freezing. I'm really sorry.
I understand
Freezing.
that. I understand that. Oh yeah. Just in case. All right, go ahead and walk this way for me and go back around the back of my vehicle and we're just gonna sit down, man. You're
Yes,
not
sir.
under arrest right now.
Yes, sir.
I'm just trying to, you're just being detained so we can figure out what's going on.
Yeah, I understand. I appreciate you putting me in the one car.
Yeah, go ahead, man.
Thank you, guys.
All right with us.
Thank you.
Nope, no problem. Yeah, we
Watch your head, all right?
Watch your nog. We hit the CVS for me. I would go left foot
You want me
forward.
to,
Left foot
duck
forward.
under that or just sit outside?
It just it'll adjust.
Okay. Thank
Right
you.
there. And what I would do is once you get in here, get comfortable, cant your body a little bit.
Comfortable.
Yeah, I know. Comfortable is a strong word.
No, I understand. Thank you.
So I would try and cant, like if you can kind of get your feet forward a little bit. I know it's not built for comfort. I
Yeah,
understand
that
that.
stinks. I'm sorry.
You're good. There you go. Just turn it. Just try to get as comfortable as you can right now. It won't be long once we figure out everything's going on. Okay.
Thank you.
But like I said, so my thought for you is probably going to be me taking you to the hospital tonight.
For like
Okay.
a mental evaluation?
100%. Because based on what you told me so far,